Hi everyone, I'm Szabi. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways how to create a calculated field in Tableau. I would recommend to take a screenshot about this dashboard so you can recall this summary even later. Way number 1, click on the small symbol next to the search box. If you go to a sheet and you find the search box, a bit to the right, you can find this tiny symbol. If you click on it, there you can see this pop-up, and here you can choose the option Create Calculated Field. Great. Way number 2, right-click on the empty area under the list of dimensions and metrics, and maybe parameters. If you go back to the sheet, under the list of fields, you can see this empty area. Right-click, and you see this pop-up again, and here you can choose Create Calculated Field. Then, last but not least, click on the Analysis tab, then choose Create Calculated Field. On the top, you can see the tab Analysis, and if you click on it and move a bit down, then you can find the option Create Calculated Field. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day. Bye.